Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, we'll show you how to turn off the location on Facebook in just a few seconds. So you may just head over and follow up these steps for that. Start by opening up the Facebook application. For that, tap on it. And once you open up the Facebook app, you need to look out for the three lines menu icon in the top right corner and select it. After that, the menu appears. Now from here, you may scroll down and look out for the option of settings and privacy and go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, select the option of settings and access your Facebook's settings. From here, you need to scroll down and go to the permission section, usually here, or you may just scroll through the given options and go to your activity section. So once you are here, look out for this option called device permissions. So go ahead and tap on it. And from here, what you need to do is basically look out for the option of location and tap on see info. After you tap on this option here, we have this option of updating settings. So just go ahead and tap on it. And if you have not turned on location, what you need to do is basically go ahead and turn it off. So if this option is turned on, you will be finding option to update the location. So you can tap on that and you can just go over and turn it off from here. Look out for this option of permissions. And all you gotta do is look out for the location option here and select this option of do not allow. And once you confirm it up, that will stop Facebook from tracking your location, and that is it. And your location is now turned off. So, therefore, everybody, if you want to turn off your location on Facebook, you may also follow up this method for that. So, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.